in the team?
Yeah, so I'm Captain Robbie Crook from 3 Scots. I'm the intelligence officer based here at Fort George. I've been here since 2013 and spent the vast majority of my time here minus operational deployments and postings. Being based here is an interesting experience. It's something where we feel a common tie to the past, and it also gives us a great setting for the future with our ranges close by, and actually being established in a very compact and confined base. The past is something which is very important to us. It makes up who we are, and although historically this would not traditionally be a 3 Scots or a Black Watch base, it's something that still has a major part in our history, and being based in one of the very few military establishments which is still providing that primary role is important to us, and is significant to us as a battalion. So we're currently very, very happy being based here, and look forward to many more years being based here on the 250th anniversary.